Hello guys, welcome to Phenomenal FX once again. In this video I'm going to be showing you a strategy I use in scalping boom 1000 and crash 1000. I catch up to 5 to 10 candlesticks safely without any spikes. It is very safe. It is very safe, one of the best strategies I've ever seen. I use this strategy to make over $300 in one day. I can use it to flip an account from $30 to $250 within one day. It's working, guys. It is working perfectly, guys. Now I wouldn't want to waste your time. Let me show you how it works and the settings. We only need about 3 indicators, one on the main chart and 2 indicators on the window one. So this is it. All right, on the main window, on the main chart, we need this moving average with settings of 10, shift to 0, method is exponential, apply to close, style, I decided to use 3 pixel and my color is blue. You can decide to use whichever color on the pixel you want. The pixel determines how bold you want the line to be on your chart. Then the levels, you leave it, let it be just the way it is. The time frame is on all. Then you press done. You go to relative, you add the next one on the, perhaps you may not know how to, if you don't know how to add this relative strength index, once you select this indicator window, this F plus, you get this option to select this. So you select relative strength index with period of 6, apply to weighted close in bracket HLCC/4. Then styles is 3 pixel white, levels 95%, 95, 80, 90, 10 and 15. Then time frames is all also. So you set down. All right, so when you're done, you come back to the screen to your chart. This is what you're going to see. This is the indicator window. This is the main window. I mean, where is it? Is my arrow bar? So this is the main chart and this is the indicator window. These are the settings we just applied. All right, so now how do we go about with the whole stuff? This is how it works. Once you open your chart, mind you, we are on the 1 minute time frame. So on the 1 minute time frame, what are you waiting for? What are the rules? You see on our indicator window one, we have these levels 10, 15, 90, 80, 90, 95. Now the 90, the 15 and 10, this 15 and 10 here, they are our, that's the oversold region, meaning when the price gets here, it starts reversing. And this 80, 90, 95, that's the overbought region. The price has been overbought and starts selling right there. So whenever you're on the chart and you experience the price, the signal line, this green, this red line you're seeing here, this red line is the MACD signal line. That is the MACD signal line. Once you see the MACD signal line crossing level 80 and approaching 90 or crossing 90, that is where then you go to your main chart and you see this moving average crossing a candlestick like here. This is what I mean. See this here. Once you notice this, that is when you have to go in for a trade. That's when you have to place your trade. Place for just 5 minutes and you'll make place to catch like 5 to 10 candlesticks, and it is very safe. Remember, the signal line on the MACD, on the window one, the MACD signal line must cross the 80 level, and the blue line, sorry, the moving average on the main chart must also cross the price. That's when you're supposed to place your trade and be successful. Now let's backtest and see if this works. Or first of all, if you look at this one now right here, if you look at this one here, if I were to trade, or if I was on the chart when this happened, if I had seen this and this, I would have entered my trade. Now from here to here, I'm talking about 5 candlesticks. I will get my 5 candlesticks very, very easily. Come in, remove it and trade better. I'll get my 5 candlesticks, you see, 5 to 10. I'll get it very easily. Then, and let's just back test. See another one here. Mind you, we're on boom 1,000, so just be selling. Only selling opportunities is what we're looking for. See another one right here. This one crossed, and this one crossed. So you get 5 candlesticks. Let's check for another opportunities. Guys, this thing is working like mad. See, this one crossed. This strategy is working like mad. See, you must not be greedy with the market. 5 to 10 candlesticks, you are 5 to 10, you are out, guys. And the opportunities must always come. See guys, see this. See it here now. It's working, guys. This thing is working. See again here. See, now somebody would say these conditions were made, but the spike came up. Now, as you can see, the spike that happened here, this spike that happened here is a small spike, and the market will still retrace and go back to give you a 5 candlestick. So once these conditions are met, do not be scared of any spike that is coming. Once the conditions are met, as long as the signal line of the MACD crosses level 80 and the moving average on the main chart crosses the price, where then you enter a trade into your positions, you are good to go. So let's keep checking for other opportunities. We have excess opportunities. Imagine how many have we even found so far, guys. See, you might even have up to like 20 opportunities in one day. But guys, you need to have your trading limit. You need to have your target. So you don't just be over trading. See, this thing works. It works like mad. It works, guys. See it here now. See. So what did I tell you? I told you, even if you enter, once the conditions are met and you place a trade, then you see a spike, it's going to be a little one, just like what is happening right here now. So what is happening right here? The small spike, then later retraced, the price still went back to in your direction. You still get your winning trade. So now that is for boom 1,000. Let's go to crash 1,000. Let's check crash 1,000. In this case, this one will be buying. Lest I forget, I had to move my chart to the middle of my screen. Like if you press and hold, you have something like this, you can move where you want the chart to go into. So I moved mine to the middle of my screen so that I can easily see what I want if I am backtesting. Now see here, guys, see the condition here. It's made. See this one, it has to cross level 15. It goes below level 15 on the window 1. That's the signal line of the MACD, goes below level 15, and the moving average crosses the candlestick on the main window. See, that one is made. We'll come back, see another one here. Guys, this thing works like mad. It works. See. As long as you wait for the conditions to be met, you cannot be scared. I'm telling you guys. And you don't have to be greedy, like I told you. 5 to 10 candlesticks, you are out of the market. 5 to 10 candlesticks, you are out. 5 to 10 candlesticks you are out. Look at this one. Even with this one, you can still get your 5 candlesticks, except you want to go for 10. But if you go for 10, you might lose if you are at this point. So this one, 5 is safe here. See, may look for another opportunity. Okay, see another one. See, 5 to 10 candlesticks, you are out of the market. See this one. This one, 5 to 10 candlesticks, you are out. So guys, I wouldn't want this video to be too long, so just know that this thing is working. Practice it on your demo account first. Practice and understand it before you use your real account. There is no strategy that has ever been tested first on a live account. You must always practice on your demo account until you gain mastery before you start using on your demo account. On your real account, sorry. You practice on your real account, then you go practice on your demo account before you go to your real account. Always ensure that the conditions are met before you go into place a trade. See, so guys, I think I'll stop at this point, so the video won't be too long. That's the strategy. Remember, they go to ensure to use the correct settings, indicator settings, moving average, 10 for period, shift to 0, method exponential, apply to close, style is 3 pixel, levels, same everything. Then you can just take a screenshot of this. Then the relative strength index, period 6, weighted close. Mind you, the style of the relative strength index is the color is white, the color of your background, because we don't need the line, we only need the, how do they call it, the levels. We need the levels to be visible, that's all. Then these levels we have 95, 80, 90, 10, 15, that's all. And this time frame is be all. So this description, I don't need to write anything there. What I need is just the settings and everything is okay. So guys, that's all for now. In the next video, I'll still keep on bringing more phenomenal strategies that we can use to kill the derivative. Thanks for watching. Please do well to like this video, comment, subscribe, don't forget, so that we're getting this information as they drop. Have a wonderful one.